How to fix KitchenAid Dishwasher Clean Light Blinking. So, a troubleshooting guide if you are having your clean light turning on for some apparent reason. So, if your KitchenAid dishwasher has a blinking clean light, it usually means the machine detected an error during a cycle, often related to heating, water flow, or a control issue. So the most common fix is a quick reset. You could go ahead and navigate to your buttons because it's going to depend on your model, and you're going to press on the heated dry, choose normal, and then heated dry again, and then the normal buttons in sequence, or a similar combo depending on your model to clear the error code. Then let the dishwasher run a short cycle to reset itself. Make sure the door is fully latched well as well. So with that, since it is an improper seal, it could trigger the blinking light. But other than that, if the light still keeps flashing, check for underlying problems like a clogged filter, blocked spray arms, or insufficient water supply. Clean the filter at the bottom, and when you're doing this, make sure it is off to avoid your electrical emergencies or problems or the similar. So you can make sure and confirm that hot water is reaching the unit properly, since a faulty heating element can also cause the issue, since the dishwasher may fail to heat water correctly during the cycle. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve it, the problem may include a sensor or control board problem, which might require professional repair or replacement. So if you would like that, go ahead to your preferred browser, search for KitchenAid, and go into the website. You could sign in if you'd like, but go ahead to the contact us section, state your problem along with your device and the options you've already tried, and once you get to talk to an actual service, you will be able to get information from them on what to do next or get your unit fixed. But those are a few options you have if you are having this error. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.